In the 20th century, a man was declared dead not once, but twice, an error so bizarre it sent shockwaves through his life, leaving him trapped between life and death. It all began when an unfortunate mix-up led to the man's name being wrongly listed on a death certificate. His family mourned, his obituary was published, and the world moved on without him. But as strange as it sounds, the man was very much alive, his pulse still steady, his breath still warm. The mistake? A case of mistaken identity. Someone with a similar name had passed away, and the bureaucratic machine failed to distinguish the living from the dead. Years later, as he tried to rebuild his life, the impossible happened again. Another bureaucratic blunder, another death certificate. This time, the man tried to take action. He fought, he pleaded, he showed up in person to prove he was still breathing, but each time, the system refused to acknowledge the error. To them, he was a ghost, a name on paper with no real place in the world. Imagine the fear of realizing you're legally non-existent, that your life can be erased with a single stroke of a pen. The man faced this strange fate, isolated and unable to claim his own existence. He couldn't access his bank account, couldn't vote, couldn't even hold a job without showing proof of life. And yet he was alive, more alive than ever. The world moved on, but he was stuck, caught in a labyrinth of legal technicalities and systemic errors. The story reached its emotional crescendo when he finally found the right people who believed in him. It took years, but justice was eventually served. He was given back his life, not just on paper, but in every sense that mattered. And as he stood before the court, free at last, he realized the most profound truth, that our existence is fragile, held together by systems that often fail us. But we endure, we fight, and we rise. If this story resonated, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below to help the channel grow.